Jai Srimanarayana. 33rd Sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yadha prakasayati ekaha kritsnam lokam imam ravihi kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakasayati bharata. Om. Realize that and always remember that you are the one who is illuminating your body with your wisdom, and constantly remember the fact that you are not the body, you are different from the body. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall realize that I am the one who is illuminating my body with my own wisdom. I shall also always remember that I am the personification of Jnanam and I am totally different from this body. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 260th day. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishna, they both, along with other Gopalas and cows, entered into a beautiful forest. In that forest, the sounds coming from all the birds and other animals making entire forest resounded with beautiful sounds. Mahan Manaha Prakhyapayas Sarasvata. There are so many beautiful ponds, and all that water in those ponds are very pure, just like the great minds of great people. In that forest, Nirikshya Rantum Bhagavan Manodadhe, Paramatma decided to go around and wander there and enjoy there in that forest. While they are all going around, all the flowers and fruits which are there on the trees, the branches all the way bent down because of the heaviness of flowers and fruits. Those branches bending all the way down, and padayoho sprushat. The tree's branches are doing namaskaram, touching the feet of Balarama and Krishna. While seeing that, Krishna Paramatma, while giving a nice smile, he is saying to his brother Balarama, Ho Baladeva, Ma Sakhitvam Buharimpu Manchu Sukabhashan Niku Yeringinchuchun Aho Amideva Varamararchitam Padambujam Te Sumanaha Phalarhanam Namanti. O Baladeva, all these trees giving their fruits and flowers to you and requesting you, praying you to get rid of all the karma which is causing them to take these kind of births. All the trees praying to you to give, bless them with a higher state of life, Uttama Gati, supreme state. O Baladeva, they are doing namaskaram to your feet, which are usually worshipped by all the devatas. Such great, O Baladeva, you please bless all these trees. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to his brother Balarama. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 33rd sloka. Yadha prakashayatyekaha kritsnam lokam yimam ravihi kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakashayati bharata. Yadha prakashayatyekaha kritsnam lokam yimam ravihi kshetram kshetri tadha kritsnam prakashayati bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.